Hi, my name is Samuel. I work at the Business Development Department at Vonovia and I'm responsible for the serial renovation of our portfolio. With a portfolio of around 550,000 apartments and more than 1 million tenants, Vonovia is Europe's leading residential real estate company. Our 60,000 employees are divided into central and regional management to be able to act appropriately to the different requirements of the management. At Vonovia, we have set ourselves the task to decarbonize our building stock within the next 2 decades. This is a truly huge task that ties up a lot of resources, but is enormously important concern for us. In the Business Development Department at Vonovia, we focus on the development of innovative solutions and technologies for our technical value-add business units. Our goal is to sustainably optimize efficiency through innovative approaches and to establish new products or processes for business to business. This can be construction methods, digitalization of processes and applications, supporting robotics and much more. We do this in 3 steps. First, driving technical innovation. We systematically ensure that we are up to date with the latest technologies and identify where they can be used. Second, solution in focus. We understand the need of our units and how they can be met through technology. Our progress is the progress of the operational value-add units and is always viewed from the perspective of our units to ensure that we meet their expectations. Third, aim for continuity. To be successful, we focus on continuous improvement and identify search fields together with the units to regularly exchange ideas and request feedback to develop further. In this case, we focus on developing the energetic serial renovation of residential buildings, as the residential building sector has a major impact on CO2 emissions, as I mentioned at the beginning. However, we will only succeed if we continue to develop energy-efficient building refurbishment and the process behind it. Vonovia's portfolio is not only very large, but also spread across the whole of Germany and covers a wide variety of segments. Different data for different requirements are available for every building. The circumstances are usually quite different, and so are the necessary measures for energetic renovation. Of course, keeping track of all the processes and data is not easy and it can take precious time to get a picture of the situation. When planning a renovation, for example, we need a large amount of data in order to be able to carry out the qualified evaluation of the project. The data is usually not bundled, and when it is then collected, it still must be extensively analyzed before an assessment of feasibility can be given. So we need an intuitive and simple interface for quick identification of renovation potentials for the pre-selected search profiles. Our idea is to provide an easy-to-use web-based renovation configurator that allows you to make a valid assessment of the planned building renovation within a few minutes. In principle, every colleague should be able to access the tool and enter the criteria relevant for them via a self-explanatory interface to identify a suitable portfolio for their requirements. After the filters have been set and the building or portfolio has been selected, the focus can be placed on the renovation measures. Here we are in the actual configurator, the core of the application. In this level, we look at the concrete building. On the one hand, we see the current condition of the building. If the building is colored red, for example, the actual energy condition is extremely poor, and there is a huge or urgent recommendation for action. The closer the coloring is to green, the better the condition of the building. On the other hand, we have the interactive controls around the building divided by building features. Renovation measures for the building can be defined for each feature, which have a direct impact on the energetic condition of the building. Once all measures have been defined, the system immediately creates a configuration overview that shows the costs, the energetic efficiency, fundings, and so on. In this way, we can identify the building or buildings that have a large need for renovation and quickly receive an indication for the cost of the necessary renovation. If you think this is an interesting case for you and you have already ideas for solution in mind, we look forward to exchange ideas with you. Thank you and goodbye.